Hi everyone, it's me, Nigel T. Best, and welcome to the Best Business Show. We're going to be talking all things video, and it's not so much the technical things, but it's what you say and how you grab someone's attention. Grab their attention! Whoa! And then people have a problem, and you're talking in your video about how you solve their problem. So maybe they're good, maybe they want to be better, but can you show them how to be the best? That's what you're after. You're giving them a promise. We can transform. You've got a problem. Your problems are your videos suck. They're rubbish. Maybe a bit like this one. But there's a promise there. You can go from good to better to best. Are you inspiring your customers? You've got to point out the fact that they have a problem. And that problem, if you prod it hard enough, becomes awful and it's unbearable. But relax. Because you can inspire them with your solution, and your solution is so good, people can't help but be inspired by it. Why is that important? Because your customers are only your customers if you inspire them to the point where they take action and buy your product or service. And ultimately, your video is you're trying to explain to people why they should do something. It can solve their problem. And if you have the solution to their problem, then you can expect, in exchange for solving their problem, a reward. Hey, look, there's me coaching people. I've been coaching people for the last few years. Now it's so important to get yourself a coach or a mentor to help you with these things if you want to accelerate things, if you want to do it faster, because they have the experience. They've got the knowledge, whoever it is, whether it's me or someone else. Use them. Get the answers, the solutions quicker. Why? Because in 2020, hey, if you are not doing videos, if you are not online, if you have not got some form of automation in your business, you are gonna be missing out big time. Okay, so no time to delay. Get hooked up, follow someone, see what they're doing. If you want to follow me, that's great. Subscribe to the channel. Keep listening, keep tuning in. I've also got the podcast, The Best Business Show, so listen to that as well if you're driving about or in the gym or something, and watch these videos. I'm going to be helping you with all sorts of things about how to start your business and grow your business as well. Now, what should you do next? What should I do now? What should I do, Nigel? I'll tell you what you should do. Have a look in the description. There'll be a link. Click on the link. It'll take you to some freebies that explain some of the things that we've been talking about in this video, but also how you can stay in touch, how I can help support you, how you can get more information, more confidence, more support to help you start and grow your business. My name's Nigel T. Best. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.